Welcome to all. Today we will going to discuss about the video lecture series from Introduction to Aerospace Engineering. First, we know about what is the major difference between the aerospace engineer and the aeronautical engineer. In the aerospace engineer, the students will have to study about the beyond the earth, and aeronautical engineering they will be calculation only based from the earth surface. So in this topic, we will discuss about the history of flight. So this is the main invention or main the platform of the aircraft structures and propulsions and designs. So in the beginning of the 1783, the people from Joseph Michael and Jacques Etienne Montgolfier from French brothers, they have invented the hot air balloons. In hot air balloons, these people they have to use the globe and purpose. In the bottom of the balloon, there are light firing about the base globe and purpose. Because of the hot air is lighter than the cold air, from that effect the balloon will have to move on to lift. So this is the effect of hot air balloon from the French brothers. After that, in the year of 1852, airships will be introduced from Henry Giffard. This scientist will use airship from the basis of he used steam engines. So previous that we know about the basic principles of steam engine. It is from the basis of thermodynamics. So the fuel energy is converted into the mechanical energy and also finally converted into the electrical energy. So this is the principle we are used in this airship in the year of 1852. So this is the main innovation era in aeronautical engineering field. In the year will start from the 1902. So the Wright brothers will have introduced this type of history of aircraft in gliders and aeroplanes with no engines. So in this concept, gliders and aeroplanes will modify with no engines in the year of 1902. In the next year, the Wright brothers will frame about the structure. It will be shown in that figure. It will be tested to that flying. It called built a plane is called a flyer. The material will be used in the wooden frame. It will be tested in the date of the December 14th, 1903. These are the components of the which have founded by the Wright brothers. This is the rudder will be having here and propellers, engines, gas tank, water reservoir, bicycle wheeler, elevator control, instruments and keep cattle and wing wrapping. So in Wright brothers mainly used these wooden surfaces. It is named as wing wrapping. After the Wright brothers, there are many more attempts used to how to fly a vehicle. And finally, in the year of 1927, and the date is May 20, Lindbergh took off from the Roosevelt Field there. It is New York City for the first non-stop flighting across the Atlantic Ocean from the basis of we previously seen about the hot air balloons and our flyer model in the year of 1927. In the aircraft car, main vital role will during the Second World War because of it used to spy on these enemy and to drop bombs. Sadly, many people died in the air raids during the Second World War. And the passenger airlines will be introduced in the year of 1970 with the use of the Concorde airplane in the year of 1976. These are the basics and history of the aeronautical engineering field. Thank you.